Hi everybody! I know it's been a minute since I posted a video, but you know, life. I got a new phone, so hopefully the quality is a little better. It looks good. So today I'm doing another Chingona Box unboxing. I think I missed the last 3, but I'll show you the last one that I got. So I haven't even opened, I have not even opened it yet. I have my little knife. So I'm opening it for the first time. They're really cute. Ooh, there goes the card. They're really cute on the inside, and I like the uniformity on the outside. You know, this one's really nice. Love the pink. Let's get that card. Use my big head. July is the Frida box. Yay! Oh, who would have thought? And here are some of the sponsored people. I'll put them down below as well. So let's open it. I want stickers. I wonder if they can send me stickers. I'll ask next time. Let's see. Yeah. Ooh, it's packed. Let's go one by one. Adorable keychain. Look at her. Oh my gosh. How cute. In the pink. Oh, she's adorable. Love it. Sticker. There's my sticker that was saying, I love you more than my own coffee. Kahlo Coffee by Mercado El Catrin. I like the different colors too. Make her stand out. Ooh, this is nice. It is a card because there's a little envelope, but more like a print. Maybe you can frame it. Ooh, another sticker. Yes, there's my stickers. Look at that. Yeah, them flowers that she has. This is from the Chingona Box. A clip. How cute. To hold up my hair. I got a haircut the other day, so I have less hair, but I like the blue and the orange. So in the last Selena box, which I don't have with me, we got Selena socks, and this time we got Frida socks. She almost looks like the Russian nesting dolls, like the little shape of her. So cute. I like the little heart in the middle too. I don't think, I mean, I guess Frida's has like the real corazon picture, so that's maybe like a little homage to that. Oh my gosh, this is huge. What is this? Oh my gosh. It's like a patch, but look how sparkly that is. Oh my goodness. Where am I gonna put this? I have a leather jacket, a denim jacket I can put it on. Oh, how cute. It's huge. Maybe a jeans? Ooh, jeans would be cute on the leg. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Oh my perfection. This frame. Frames are expensive, you guys. For prints, for art. This is beautiful. Hecho en Mexico. Bam. So nice. Oh my gosh. Little ring to hang it up. This is, I don't want to touch it yet. I mean, obviously it's a print, not paint, but it looks like it has the texture for the paint. Look how beautiful this frame is. Oh my god, I'm putting it right. I think that's gonna go right there. And that is it for this box. It's a lot of big, nice things. Recap. Frame. Giant patch. Some calcetines. Little clippy. I'll put the clip here on the socks. 2 stickers. Card. And keychain. I guess you can count the Chingona card as one as well. Okay, I really like when there's like a purple outline on pictures instead of black. So nice. Beautiful. Love this box. Love Chingona Box always. They have a Frida like artesanal giant box right now that I think it's like $200 or it's worth $200. I don't remember, but I'm sure that one had like way more nice things. So if you love Frida, you have to check them out because this is just perfection. And real quick, because I didn't do a real unboxing of the last one, it was Boho Amor, and I got this beautiful clutch from them with this little keychain. Matching coaster for your clutch. Lip balm. This really cool wicker pop socket. These nice like leathery leaf earrings. A sticker of a puppy and plants. Planta mom and dog mom, I guess. I'm not a dog mom. Plants, yes, I'll do plants. Chingona keychain. And some tiny earrings. They're little leaves. I don't think there was anything else in there. But this one, this clutch, love it. Anyways, that's my semi-quick Chingona Box unboxing for July. And then showing you the June one as well for Boho Amor. Subscribe to the Chingona Box. I'm still subscribed. Love them forever. I will put their links to their website so you can buy your own box down below. And yeah, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you're subscribed. If you have subscribed, if you're unsubscribed, why? Let me know. Bye.